Return of the Universal Japanese Motorcycle. A showdown between 2020 Honda CB1000R, Kawasaki Z900 RS Cafe, and Yamaha XSR 900. In the early 1970s, Japanese manufacturers stormed the US market with a new genre of do-it-all motorcycle. With Honda's CB750, Yamaha's XS750, Suzuki's GT750, and Kawasaki's Z1, the Big Four were manufacturing the superbikes of the time. Eventually these strong standards would come to be known as Universal Japanese Motorcycles, or UJMs, motorcycles comfortable enough to slog through traffic on a daily commute, robust enough to load up with a passenger and some luggage for light weekend touring, and fast enough to strip down for serious sport riding. Motorcycles have evolved, and categories and subcategories have emerged with specialized uses and little visual tie to these classic machines, but the need for a stylish and versatile motorcycle remains. And so the UJM is making a comeback. The 2020 Yamaha XSR 900, 2019 Honda CB1000R, and 2020 Kawasaki Z900 RS Cafe are three different takes on the glory days of the Japanese standard. Each one has a character all its own, and each manufacturer brings its own flavor of nostalgia to the modern riding experience. For this test, we spent time using each motorcycle as intended, universally. We spent full days and several hundred miles on the bikes, using them for daily commutes, in traffic, and around town riding, then leaving the city for spirited canyon runs. Prior to real-world testing, we ran them on our in-house DynoJet 250i dynamometer and gathered objective performance numbers at our private testing facility. Street testing was conducted in downtown Los Angeles, a hostile environment for big bikes. Dense traffic, tall buildings, and constant construction define the DTLA riding experience. It's scooter country. Cycle World's executive editor Justin Dawes and road test editor Michael Gilbert met me near the Walt Disney Concert Hall,